Hi, I'm Kashyap, the founder of intelliM. Today, I'm going to talk about the problem we are trying to solve. You know, when your best people leave, all the stuff they know just walks out the door, right? So we've built something to exactly solve this problem. So we've built LARS. LARS solves that by turning your shop floor videos into step-by-step guides that your team can use again and again, right? The way this works is pretty simple. So your operator films a fix, LARS converts that into a procedure, and your team can pull it up whenever they need it. And over time, you're just building knowledge base that just grows with every fix that you capture. So let me show you a demo on how this actually works. So here's the main page of LARS. And what you can do is you can click on Start Trial. And this is authenticated via your organization. So you log in. And once you log in, you end up at the home page of LARS, right? So today I'm going to demo a short video on how LARS works. So we choose a video file of your fix. So given that, so I'll upload a short fix. This is a fix by the coffee maker DeLonghi on how to reset the machine, right? So restart the machine. And once we choose the file, we upload it. So LARS on the back end is trying to understand the video, trying to convert the video into these step-by-step procedures, and it will give you it will give us the whole transcript and also provide us the steps, right? So if you see here, once you've uploaded the video, you get the list of transcripts, and then you can generate this steps, right? The operating procedure. So once you get the steps, you can add more steps, you can delete the steps, and you can configure it, and you can also add more content and also annotate, right? So here, if you see, it has broken down this video into different steps and has provided the list of important things, right, in the heading, right? For example, it asked us to press and hold the steam button and then turn on the dial and so on, right? And then you see, okay, what is happening here and so on. You can also change, if you see there is a change that needs to be added or there is a step that needs to be added, you can also add a new step and so on, right? So and once you've edited and seen everything, what you can do is you can ask the AI to refine it more by adding a context to it and so on. Now I would say I would want to just save it and then I submit it for review, right? So what happens when you submit it for review is in the organization, it could be a supervisor who could approve it. And once you go here to approvals, I have it in the approval section, right? So, and I can just again go back and view this, what is exactly done here. And you also get the loop, right? Like when this video, the exact step and the video loop of that, right? So here's how it works. And then once that's done, I would say, okay, now I would save this and then I would go here to approvals and then I would approve the review, right? So once this is done, your quality team can also check this OP. And then once they are also done, for demo purposes, I'm just approving it myself, but this could be your quality team which is approving. And then once it's done, it goes back to the library, right? In the library now, you could see it's still in draft mode because I haven't published it. So if I again go back here, I have now that it's approved, now I can publish it, right? So now I've published it. So once I've published it, it again appears in my SOPs library. Yeah, so now you can see this and then we can also download a PDF out of it. So this PDF also describes exactly what the procedure is, what are the different steps in it. And then it also gives a QR code, which could be stuck to the machine. And your employees can just scan this QR code and get the SOP back in their app, right? So that's the beauty of this. And then they can access this. So, and now let's do a quick questioning on how do I do a reset, right? So let's ask about resolving how do I turn on the reset mode on the DeLonghi machine. So now what's happening on the background is the AI is looking at all the logs, all the SOPs that you have, and is trying to come up with the answer on what exactly you need to do, right? So now it gives you a summary that you need to turn on the reset mode. You need to hold the steam button approximately for 10 seconds and hold on the reset mode, turn on the reset mode, and then you need to press this. So the reset mode, again, you can see that it's by holding the steam button for 10 seconds and then clicking, make sure that all three lights are blinking in sequence from left to right and so on. So this is exactly what this solves your problem. Another good part about LARS is that we also help you to walk through. We do a quick analysis, right? So let's say I have this issue of, I have an issue with the lights not blinking when turning on the reset mode. What do I do? Now the AI is running the analysis on the background. It just looks up all your logs, all your SOPs, and then brings back the detailed analysis. Now let's see what LARS gives us back here. So it's what's happening on the background is it's looking at your history of different things that you've resolved. It creates an incident ID and it gives the possible reasons, right? The highest possible reasons on why the error is occurring. So if you see the root causes, it gives you that maybe the whole time is not sufficient. You have to maybe try this and then see what can be done, right? And it gives you a likelihood of how often this has happened, this kind of error, and it gives you the procedure and what to expect in that, right? And the same way, it gives the ranking as well, right? What is the highest probability and the next and so on. And then it gives this based on the history of your factory. So this can be very valuable to a factory when you have multiple machines, multiple plants operating at different locations, and you want to know the possible causes of the machine, right? The root causes, and this actually helps you in critically solving your problem in with the help of AI, right? So yeah, I think that's the demo for today. Thank you.